everyone, I'm Laurie from KidMadeModern, where we celebrate all of your kiddos' creativity. Today we're with our friend Jessica from the Organized Mama. Her and her kiddos are going to show us all about organization and how to organize our craft goods that we've been playing with all winter, right? So much fun to learn from Jessica and her kiddos today. Make sure to check it out, and if you organize with us today, make sure to take a picture of your finished products and tag at KidMadeModern, #GoMakeStuff. All right, everyone, have so much fun, and we will see you all again soon.
Hi, my name is Adley.
Hi, my name is Eli.
And we are the Organized Kids.
And I am Jessica, and I am the Organized Mama. We are so excited to be sharing how to create and set up an art cart. Okay, so the reason why we love art carts, they are portable, which means you can get crafty anywhere, right? Like if we want to make art here in our, playroom, if we want to do it in the dining room, we just wheel the cart to wherever the kids are feeling inspired, and then they can go and get crafty. It also makes art really easy because everything is all together in one place. That's why we love art carts.
Yes.
And it's super easy to keep everything together because everything is in one location, which as the Organized Mama, I love when things are easy and kept together. So when you are setting up an art cart, what you want to do is you want to give everything a spot. You want to group like supplies together.
Like paper.
Like paper, that's right. What else could go together?
Trays, coloring books, paintbrushes, paints,
Play-Doh.
pipe cleaners that can go in bags,
And of course, pom-poms
and pencils and markers and colored pencils,
and beads.
curler beads,
And
daughters.
And these to make your pearl beads.
So we like using containers to keep everything together based on the type of art supply it is. That way, if somebody wants to do watercolors, all they have to do is pull out the brushes and the watercolor paint, and then they can get to work. Now, not all of our supplies are stored on the art cart. We have our paints that I store in a different location because that's something that I like to supervise. But everything that's stored on the art cart are activities and art supplies that these two can do on their own whenever they are inspired. So we are going to do a walkthrough of our art cart. Eli and Adley are going to show you what is on our art cart.
So on the top shelf of an art cart, we keep paper and magazine holders along with coloring books, and we also have pencils that have this big divider, so you can divide like markers, pencils, and colored pencils. I think the colored pencils and the pencils should go together, and the markers just stay together in a group. And what we also like to keep in here are the scissors. And we also have these funky scissors. You can just see it over there, right there. It just shows you how you cut it. And we also keep the Play-Doh up here in a bin.
I'm going to talk about the second shelf. So what we keep on the second shelf is we keep pom-poms, beads, pearl beads, the stuff to make pearl beads, slime, dots, stickers, tape, glitter, glue, and crayons. We store everything in these pop-up lids. You can buy a bigger one, or you can just buy the top you want it to be. We like the pop-tops because they keep all of our stuff safe and do not get all over the floor. The pom-poms are in the acrylic canister, so it doesn't pop off. So what we do for our watercolors, we keep it in this kind of container to keep our paintbrushes. Here are our water cups to do it. There's two because me and Eli sometimes like to do it together. Our watercolors, they come in all kinds of colors, like white, pink, blue, and black. But you're going to have to wipe off the black because it ruins all of the pretty colors.
We keep our craft supplies in baggies like the pipe cleaners. And we keep all the baggies, we keep all the art supplies with our baggies in the same spot. And we like the baggies from KidMadeModern because up here they zip and you can just zip it back up anytime you're done, and you can also take it anywhere.
Sometimes we store craft boxes on the cart and like this. So when we like to do our crafts, we just put it out on our table and do some. And when we don't want to, we just put it back like this.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye!
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And for more fun inspiration and craft kits, check us out at KidMadeModern.com. Thanks, and I can't wait to see you all again for the next video.